Hi there, welcome back to Django tutorial. This is 18th tutorial in the series. In this video, I am going to highlight one important feature. Let's have a look. If I go to the page source with Ctrl U, here I can see only the HTML tag. Here I can't see the Django template tag like title, for loop, because the Django template tag are handled on the server side. In the client side, we can only see the HTML tag and their values. In other words, this is finished HTML document. Now, I want to work with the if tag, which is conditional tag. With the conditional tag, we can check whether the value is exist or not. Let's have a look. In the view, if I add one more quiz, let's say 6, and quiz name like none, it's mean the quiz number 6 does not have any value here. Let's save this one and have a look into the browser. Reload and click on the 6. Here is none because quiz 6 does not have any message or value. But it is not good practice to show none on the web page. So here we need to pass some message that indicate that the 6 number quiz does not have any value. For this I am going to quiz.html. So we need to pass some message here that for the quiz name there is no message. For this I am going to use a template tag which is if conditional. Here this one if. This is if tag. It's work similar as the Python where we can use operator like and, or, not, like equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, and many more. So now I am going to implement this if tag in my HTML document. I am going to add if statement here. Like here again I am going to use single curly braces like this, and if you look into the view, here this text variable hold the quiz value. By this text we can make the check in our template that the message exists or not. Like if text is not none, then pass this text, little indentation. If not, then else. And here I am going to pass the message. Which is this quiz name does not have value. One more thing, in the Django template, like in the for loop, we have to AND this with same syntax, like and if. In the for it was and for, here it is and if. Let's save and have a look into the browser. Reload and look for the sixth one. This quiz name does not have value. It's work. And for the first one, first quiz. For the second. So as you can see, for this 6, it's working fine. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.